Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, and as you can see here, just finished, piping hot, straight from the wok. We're going to do some beautiful noodles, Chinese style, with pork and vegetables. Very, very easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients we're going to be using today. So, we've got 4 vegetables here: onion, bell peppers, broccoli and carrots. Cut your carrots nice and thin because we're going to cook this quite fast. All the measurements for everything are below in the text. We've got some pork here. I'm using leg pork. I've cut that into nice thin strips. Garlic, ginger, black pepper, some green onions or spring onions. Then I've got about equal parts here of oyster sauce, soy sauce and fish sauce. And of course we've got our noodles. Now you can be using any noodles you want. I've got these very thin types which are soaking in water. So check out your noodles. If you're going to use some thick ones or thin ones, up to you. Check the packet and see the instructions because some noodles are cooked in different ways. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my large wok out here. You're going to need some sort of frying pan or wok or something like that. And I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in our pork. And we're on a very, very high heat, as you can hear. And we're going to remain on this all the way, so there's a lot of stir in here. I'm going to keep this going for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we'll continue adding vegetables. So we've got a nice bit of colour onto the pork. We're now going to add in our ginger, our garlic, the carrots and the onion. And once more, staying on this very high heat, let's go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Great stuff. Now I'm going to add in my bell peppers, my broccoli. Now you could be adding some whole baby corn in here, for example, water chestnuts, zucchini, mushrooms, green beans. Up to you. I'm just going with this little combo here. I'm now going to add a little bit of water. And that water is just going to steam out and help our vegetables cook nicely, retaining a beautiful crunch to them though. Now we're going black pepper. Now notice that we're not adding any salt to this. The reason that we're not adding salt is because we're about to add soy or oyster and fish sauce. All of them are quite salty. Here's our fish sauce. Here's our soy. I'm using a dark soy. You could be using light if you wanted. And then here's our oyster sauce. Okay, let's throw this around for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring all the time. Okay, fantastic. Let's now just drop in our green onions into the mix. And then we're going to add our noodles. And once you've got your noodles in, you're going to need 2 spoons. There's the noodles. Again, staying on this very high heat. Let's go for 3 minutes now. Throwing this around, covering all the noodles with those lovely flavours, the pork and the vegetables. Okay, and that's it. Super, super easy. A beautiful, tasty, Chinese-styled pork with vegetables. I've just got here some optional red chili flakes. I like that on there. And that's it. Super easy. Super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below for notifications. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.